Welcome to the Marygrove Pro app setup video. First, let us make sure you have everything ready to go. To get started, you will need the Marygrove Pro app, mini hub, and a shade remote control that is already paired to your shade. The mini hub is located on the motor side of your awning or shade. Make sure your awning or shade is connected to power before we begin. The mini hub connects to 2.4 GHz networks only, and of course you will need the internet. Let's go and connect. Let's open the Marygrove Pro app. You will create an account in order to begin. You can sign in with your social accounts or create a new account. On the next screen, you will see the option to add your first device. Click on the Add button and select the Mini Hub. Make sure your smart device has the Bluetooth switched on to enable you to connect the Mini Hub to the app. The app will find your Mini Hub, and now you will have the option to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. It is important to input the correct password so you can successfully connect to the internet. Once you have entered your Wi-Fi credentials, the app will connect the Mini Hub to the internet. You now have connected your Mini Hub to the Marygrove Pro app. Now let's pair your remote control to the Mini Hub. Press on the control button. Click on the Add Remote Control tile. Select your remote control, making sure it is the correct model. The app will search for your Mini Hub. The app is ready to pair your remote control. Select the Pair Your Remote Control button in readiness to sync. Stand close to the Mini Hub and press the Stop button on the remote control. Hold down the Stop button until you see the app display a checking pop-up. If you have successfully paired your remote control, then you will see the pop-up display a success message. Let's test your smart shade out. Press the Open or Close button and check if your shade is working. Once complete, then press Done. Congratulations, you now can control your smart awning from your app. You can view our other tutorials on how to connect and use the Marygrove Pro app features by visiting marygrove.com. Have a great day.